Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change background image size, increase or decrease background image size. I'll change this background image size. Open your PDF file and select organize option. Now select background option and select an update option, and here we will find this background scale relative to target page. You can move this scale and it will auto fit to this page and select OK. And see, this image now auto fit to this page, and again select background option and select update, and I'll decrease this image size. I'll make it 50% ratio and say this image size now decrease. Also you can increase and make it 70, and see, now you can change this image position vertical, and this is horizontal left, and this is right, and this is top, this is bottom. Yeah, and finally select OK, and see this image size now changes. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.